good to me. His mouth is, oh, baby doesn't know why. Since he sees his girl's out of trouble, so he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. He's ready to.
That's the girl verse. That's not about a guy.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please get to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Ready? Rap part.
Who knows it?
I seen a rainbow yesterday. I just really saw a couple of moons that are chasing out of all giving. 7 cups of life is heading straight to that prayer. Tapping ways, tell the praise of God. Like his promise is true. What can I do? The minute chases up blue to bring my life to a new. They are blowing unconditional. Skies are dry, the tears from my eyes. I'm not gonna cry. My only bleeding hope is for the folks who can't go through such a enduring pain that it keeps up in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for too keen to your own pain? Water sheets. Someone else's baby pain inside. There's no fear to crime to the system that is victim to your own mind. Dreams of hope, desperation, the hope is coming true. Leave yourself rest.
Don't go chasing.
Nice.
I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. You're moving too fast, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're moving too fast.
Oh.